Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging the Bluetooth OBD2 adapter into the vehicle DLC. Make sure the connector seats fully and the vehicle has power. Once done, switch the ignition to on so modules wake up, but don't start the engine. That prevents stray codes. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair to the scanner SSID shown by the device or app. Accept any pairing codes. Finally, install and open the recommended app so you're ready for the next steps. After pairing, open the OBD app and select the Bluetooth adapter. Make sure the app connects to the device before proceeding. Next, choose the vehicle protocol or let the app auto-detect so readings match the ECU. Then run live data streams, RPM, coolant temp, fuel trims, so you see behavior in real time. Once you have stable readings, perform a full scan to read DTCs and freeze frame data and save the report. This helps you trace faults and decide corrective actions. Finish by taking the car for a short drive to allow readiness monitors to set, monitor PIDs, and confirm the issue is resolved. Make sure to save logs and export the scan report for future reference, and only clear codes after you're confident repairs are done. Finally, unplug the adapter when finished. If you can't connect, troubleshoot. Verify DLC power, check the adapter LED for status, toggle phone Bluetooth, and redo pairing. Most connection failures are simple power or pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.